Aloe Vera, nature's solution for digestion and skin health. Hello everyone! Today, I want to share with you the amazing benefits of a natural powerhouse, aloe vera. Known for centuries for its medicinal properties, aloe vera is a versatile plant that supports both internal and external health. Specifically, it's incredibly beneficial for digestion and skin health. Let's start with digestion. Aloe vera contains natural compounds that can help soothe the digestive tract. Many people suffer from occasional discomfort, bloating, or irregularity, and aloe vera can provide gentle, natural relief. It helps regulate bowel movements and promotes a healthy gut environment, making it a valuable ally for digestive wellness. Aloe vera contains enzymes, vitamins, and minerals that aid digestion. Enzymes such as amylase and lipase assist in breaking down carbohydrates and fats, improving nutrient absorption. This not only supports digestion, but also helps the body utilize nutrients more efficiently, enhancing overall energy and vitality. In addition, aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the lining of the stomach and intestines. Chronic inflammation in the digestive system can lead to discomfort and health issues. By reducing inflammation naturally, aloe vera promotes better gut health and reduces the risk of digestive disorders. Another remarkable property of aloe vera is its ability to support a healthy microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for proper digestion, immune function, and even mental well-being. Aloe vera contains prebiotic compounds that nourish beneficial gut bacteria, helping maintain a healthy and balanced digestive system. Now, let's talk about skin health. Aloe vera is famous for its ability to hydrate, soothe, and heal the skin. It contains vitamins such as A, C, and E, which are powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants help fight free radicals, slow down skin aging, and promote a healthy, radiant complexion. Aloe vera is also a natural moisturizer. It penetrates the skin easily, providing hydration without leaving a greasy residue. This makes it ideal for all skin types, including oily or sensitive skin. Applying aloe vera topically can help maintain skin elasticity and smoothness, keeping it soft and supple. Moreover, aloe vera has healing properties that make it effective for minor burns, cuts, or irritations. The plant's natural compounds promote faster skin repair and reduce redness and inflammation. Regular use of aloe vera can improve skin resilience and overall appearance. For practical use, aloe vera can be incorporated into your daily routine in several ways. Orally, as a juice or supplement, to support digestion and overall wellness. Topically, as a gel or cream to hydrate, soothe, and protect the skin. Combined with other natural ingredients, such as honey or cucumber, for enhanced digestive and skin benefits. It is important to note that while aloe vera is generally safe, you should choose pure, natural aloe vera products without additives or excessive processing. For oral use, start with small amounts to ensure your body tolerates it well. Always consult with a healthcare provider if you have specific medical conditions. In conclusion, aloe vera is a remarkable natural remedy with dual benefits. Internally, it supports digestion, reduces inflammation, and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. Externally, it nourishes, hydrates, and heals the skin, helping you maintain a radiant, youthful appearance. By incorporating aloe vera into your daily routine, you can take advantage of its natural healing properties to support both your digestive health and your skin. Nature provides us with solutions that are gentle, effective, and sustainable, and aloe vera is a shining example of this wisdom. Thank you for listening, and I hope you will explore the incredible benefits of aloe vera for your digestion and skin health. Embrace this natural ally and enjoy the balance and wellness it brings to your body and life.